Top 5 Best Cheap Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Chefman 4Cutie Air Fryer with High Fry Technology. Crispy fries, golden chicken, even roasted veggies, without the oil? The Chefman 4Cutie Compact Air Fryer makes it happen, fast. Perfect for busy professionals, small households, or anyone craving restaurant-quality crunch at home. Its high-fry technology delivers extra crisp results, outperforming basic models that leave food soggy. The intuitive touchscreen offers 4 smart presets: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, so you skip the guesswork. Plus, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket cleans up in seconds, a game-changer compared to scrubbing greasy trays. Compact yet powerful, it fits neatly on countertops without sacrificing capacity. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up a last-minute snack, this air fryer turns effort into excellence. Just note, the 4-quart size is ideal for 1 to 2 people. Larger families might need multiple batches. Upgrade your kitchen with a tool that delivers flavor, convenience, and that unbeatable crunch every single time. Number 4. 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗲𝗏𝗲 4Cutie Slim Air Fryer with EverGood ceramic coating. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt. Meet the 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗲𝗏 4Cutie Slim Air Fryer, your new countertop essential. Ideal for busy home cooks, small space dwellers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results fast. Unlike bulky fryers that hog space, this sleek model slips effortlessly into tight kitchens thanks to its fits-anywhere design. The EverGood ceramic non-stick coating ensures effortless cleanup and healthier meals. No harmful chemicals, just pure flavor. With 6 preset options and adjustable temps, from crispy wings to roasted veggies, it adapts to your cravings. A 60-minute auto shutoff with audible tone means peace of mind, not overcooking. At 3.3 pounds, it's light yet powerful, perfect for oatmeal, oat milk pancakes, or your next air-fried masterpiece. True, it's not built for large families, but for everyday ease? It's unmatched. Upgrade your kitchen ritual, without the oil, without the mess. Just delicious, every time. Number 3. Simple Deluxe 12-in-1 Air Fryer with Visible Window. Meet 𝗕𝗓𝗓, the kitchen multitasker that turns crispy fries, juicy roasts, and even dried apple chips into effortless feats. Perfect for busy home cooks, health-conscious families, or anyone tired of greasy takeout, the Simple Deluxe 12-in-1 Air Fryer delivers restaurant-quality results with just a tap. Its 6.34-quart capacity outshines smaller models, while the transparent window lets you monitor food without losing heat, unlike competitors with opaque lids. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup, and 12 preset functions, from air fry to dehydrate, eliminate guesswork. At 1700 W, it preheats fast and cooks evenly, locking in flavor without excess oil. You'll savor golden crusts, tender interiors, and the satisfaction of homemade meals done right. While it's not ideal for giant family batches, it excels in everyday versatility. 𝗕𝗓𝗓 doesn't just cook, it transforms how you eat, one delicious, guilt-free bite at a time. Number 2. Cosori 2.1Cutie 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt. That's the Cosori Air Fryer 2.1Cutie delivering every time. Perfect for singles, couples, or small kitchens craving big flavor, this compact powerhouse transforms leftovers into crave-worthy bites using up to 97% less oil. Unlike bulky models that dominate counter space, its sleek, mini design fits anywhere while still offering 4-in-1 versatility: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. No scrubbing, just results. With 30 in-app recipes tailored for simplicity, even weeknight meals feel inspired. Whether you're reviving pizza or crafting crispy kale chips, it handles it all with precision. Sure, it's not built for large families, but for focused, flavorful cooking in minimal space, it's unmatched. Elevate your everyday eats, healthier, faster, and far more delicious. Number 1. Chefman 2Cutie Mini Air Fryer, Compact Digital Model. Crispy fries in under 15 minutes, without the oil? That's the Chefman 2Cutie Mini Air Fryer redefining small space cooking. Perfect for solo diners, dorm rooms, or anyone craving guilt-free crunch, this sleek black compact powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results. Unlike bulky models, it tucks neatly on your countertop while its digital timer and smart shake reminder ensure perfectly cooked meals every time. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. No scrubbing, no fuss. Whether you're air-frying chicken wings, reheating leftovers, or baking mini desserts, it's fast, efficient, and consistently delicious. Sure, it won't feed a crowd, but for one or two, it's ideal. Quiet, energy-efficient, and built to last, this isn't just another appliance. It's your shortcut to healthier, tastier meals with zero compromise. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? The Chefman Mini Air Fryer proves great things really do come in small packages. Thanks for watching Best Cheap Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.